Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing only way and granting the core permissions it needs. Notifications, Bluetooth, and location are essential. Once installed, sign in with your account so settings sync. Tap through onboarding but focus on permission screens. Make sure alerts and background permissions are allowed. Then open the app and land on the main dashboard. This is where you initiate the Dynamic Island integration. From here, you'll connect the Dynamic Island feature. Follow the prompt to continue. Next, go into Settings and choose Dynamic Island Integration. You enable it and confirm overlay permissions. You'll customize what the island shows, pick widgets, shortcuts, and which app events trigger it. Once done, set priority rules so critical alerts appear first and configure animation styles to match your preference. Make sure persistency options are correct so notifications stay visible long enough. If you use multiple widgets, order them logically. This prevents UI clashes and ensures. Finally, test the Dynamic Island with real events. Place a call, play music, start a timer, and launch navigation to verify behavior. Observe transitions and tweak sensitivity, durations, and app-specific rules until interactions feel natural. Once satisfied, save your profile and enable auto start so it runs after reboot. If something goes wrong, restart the app, confirm overlay and notification permissions, and reboot your device. If issues persist, reinstall only way. That single troubleshooting step fixes most integration failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.